Keep going.
Hey, good morning. We're installing one side of a Doordrobe. Part one of the kit. You have alcohol wipes, you have screws, you have a drill bit. So you got to clean the area where the Doordrobe is going to be bonded. And that's right down here in the middle. And right up here on the sides. Yeah. Always try to hit them twice. Okay, now we're going to bond the Doordrobe and drill the holes. Be right back. Okay. There's 3 pieces of VHB on a Doordrobe. These help hold it in place while you're drilling, and they also take most of the load when you're hanging stuff. And if you're blind or have no fingernails, this is a hard thing to do. Most people, taking the backing off of adhesive is not this hard. Okay, so what I do is I line the bumps up parallel to the top of the door. That way everything's level. And you just center them left and right. And push them on. The adhesive should stick. But if it doesn't, it's because Mercedes puts something on these doors. So I'm going to have to drill a single hole. Again, I hold this all up and spaced.
Oops.
This is a freaking disaster.
Oh, it fell.
Four. Okay, the kit comes with 6 of these screws in part 1 and the star drive that goes with them. Okay, so after you've drilled one hole, or fastened one hole, the other 2 are pretty easy. Get this parallel to the window. Does it look parallel to you?
Mm-hmm.
And there's 2 more holes. So you're drilling through the plastic, which is easy, then the thin metal of the door, which is a little bit harder. That's the top half of the Doordrobe. Alright, step 2, you don't see me at the, but I'm going to the step 2 bag, and I'm grabbing a couple screws and a hook, and I'm only going to put one of these on. Problem is they're stainless steel screws, so they will not magnetically attach to your drill. Okay, so step 2 is just repeating that 5 times to put the hooks on. Okay, stop it.